A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe. Welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this morning, we want to take a look on the latest developments in the nation of Zimbabwe. ZANU PF candidates, losing candidates in Seke and Zvimba East, are taking Triple C candidates to court to try and nullify the results which were announced by Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, where Triple C candidates were declared winners. Let us get to this story so that we understand what is really happening here. So, ZANU PF is challenging the parliamentary results in two constituencies, that is Seke and Zvimba East. In Zvimba East, CCC won by 189 votes. In Seke, CCC won by 755 votes. So this is what is happening. Remember, in Seke, they've reported against the member of parliament who won in that area, Willard Madzimbamuto, and he's facing persecution at this moment in time. Is one of the MPs who were arrested, and his councillor is still in prison without bail. So let us get to this court challenge, which is here, which is between Munyaradzi Tobias Kashambe versus Tapfumane Willard Madzimbamuto. And the election petition is in terms of Section 167 of the Electoral Act. And they say, take notice that petitioner intends to make and hereby presents an election petition to the Electoral Court sitting at Harare, challenging the result of the National Assembly election for the Mashonaland East Province, Seke, held as part of the 2023 general elections. This petition is presented in terms of Section 167 of the Electoral Act, Chapter 213, and Electoral Applications, Appeals, and Petitions 1995, for an order setting aside the declaration by the Constituency Election Officer Tapfumane Willard Madzimbamuto as duly elected member of the National Assembly for Mashonaland East Province Seke constituency in the general elections held on 23rd of August 2023, and that an order for re-election or alternatively an order for a vote recount be granted. So this is what they are actually saying here, and we are likely going to see ZANU PF trying to use this as a way of silencing Triple C. So they are desperate. They are in desperate need of two-thirds majority, and they know for sure that it is going to be a very difficult moment for them in parliament. So two things: number one, these challenges; number two, another issue very important here will be arrests. So those who are not arrested have been challenged, and those who are weak are going to find it difficult to remain in parliament. So remember, ZANU PF need around 10 seats for them to have the two-thirds majority, and they have already started arresting MPs. They've already started these petitions against the MPs. So my question is, will this work? That is the question which I have. And I don't know, guys. Can we agree on something? Is ZANU PF going to actually have power to influence the courts against these MPs? We are going to watch and see what is going to happen next. So I don't want to take much of your time, Team Zimbabwe. This is what is happening. Two in Seke, they won by 755 votes. So there are certain allegations which are being raised regarding to those areas, and they are saying that Triple C didn't do things well. Their agents were being chased out of the polling stations. Those are the issues they are actually trying to raise and bring at this moment in time. But we do not know if they are going to win this, but it's a sad moment in the nation of Zimbabwe because democracy is being fought. Let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts. My name is Ronald.